movement no sebi NDC for sebi madwene ada zomi for me bisa mo say ye meyi mo nso no because mo yam niam ni na asai mo gina ono tese mo nka bibi papa de babie tese de babi abon man tese ye meyi mo nso no na nka ye fama first lady for no fanya sa udua konkonsa buru ififi na ho mo dwen se mo ba abeka na agu akufo ado animu ase agu ba omi animu ase e na de na kwasea mpani be ma we de mo fa nche me ma me nom ejimi ni be ma bi a no no se ye friend Captain God's brain devil brain smart kromfo mo na atuni a ukunkum nkrofo okunu no mje ye yire nom atoto mo na agege masika jimi ni etese wo we be gina ho se akufo ado ntumi man ono yira konma kromfo fo ano twetwe fom Captain Smart what how can I say it in English for somebody to for one no to form Captain Smart for one no anyway no tum somebody has to go to no say to form because what twin ya dwuma say nyini na wanyini a wanyini agya wadwene ho unja wadwene ho a anka obi a wo kopa cha okosa lai woni fie so wo ma asole na fa kodidi aboe ubetu aka je so no ntumi ntwane yire Captain Smart papa na wo sori ko bukotodwe ekoje soliciting e wo mo ho se de be ya wo be didi akoto air conditioner wunti aka na boa onu ntumi ntwane yire wo ho fon papa wo fi se we asa ekufo ado onte se wo ukunkum nkrofo yire nom ejejeje ye niama onte se wo a wo jejeje ambulance sika ko di Captain Smart they are not like you ekufo ado ye honorable man and you can never have that kind of honorable in your family never. Conform na atuni agege nkrofo yire no like you Cronfo Captain Smart Cronfo for one no tan one no tum no fetiti form Bob Melly for one no titi form abu entoriwa when your platform because of sample for employ and this say no o mama we si ready kwasia into betene stage so a na wo kan kwasia asem nko a wo be gina stage so a na wo kan kwasia asem nko a owia na wa ye nanim se kwaku asem ne ho ba na wo gina ho se wo suma ga na wo suma wutiri so no wa pampa so Captain Smart wo suma wutiri so no wa pampa so because bra mama Rebecca mba no kura bo no wo Captain Smart ntumi mo bi da wo certificate we Captain Smart, unam Ghana na journalist. Captain Smart, come and prove your certificate to us. School ben na call ye. Where did you go? Jimmy, to come and tell the whole sitting president, say, oh, he cannot take care of his wife, so he want Ghanaians to take care of him. Wow, but damn, si kano no di abremono. Musika fiano, no di abremono. Musika fiana nunti, oba oye ne juma, no edi ni bimo, no aye ni niyame ye. O tanya motan ni kuninti no mu ba begu nanimu ase o se mu nji ska no fanya mo baye NDC fo o se mu nsom abaifo mo nji mfa nko wi chinchinga mu ntaka ni mu ntala no mo fa nko wi chinchinga mfui akorensafo party ade miso no mbio they do the mo mama sese no abodanfo party kwa siasama akwa Aba betre TV so because of sample for my platform who be did Akufo Addo antem what bodam for one to form anamo for one to form Jimmy Nikwa who jina who media wo ye no big news me say sometime na Ghana for etoje yen Ghana for etoje yen papa Ghana for etoje yen ebrochire Ubati journalist bi dia na we break story bi ana wa ya bibi ma na popular ebrochire answer na ubati journalist bi din say what te say Anderson Cooper hwan no they bring concrete breaking news Manase Pia na say o ma to ni a ono so start Jimmy ono Simon no wonu say yanya hwe kura no watumi aye series of investigations aba out ya papa Anas Ibo Odwani Anas kwaku ba ko bai One more crown no tonight, who watchman, you say, who killed Nancy, you said, dear, or my nini nama, yahu. Well, be Mr. Captain Smart say, yeah, Papa Kwame Sefakai. Kwame Sefakai cried, don't cry the wire Olympic torch bearer for Ghana. Olympic torch bearer. I'm a Ghana pain. Yamami gifty anti Papa be international standard journalism. What's it saying? I draw your boy genome. I know pa. Mon coach correct. Oh my breaking stories. Groundbreaking stories. Kaba. You could see saying Kaba. Made they could see saying the popular thing on Asempa. We are looking for those kind of things. Obi Mr. Captain Smart say, Captain Smart ono ojina hono. A dear story pan wait me break. And Obi me can try. Mo call Captain Smart page. Mo me can try and say Captain Smart. Sa expose we Captain Smart ne kofa bae. What the time this guy? Faba waso asoko. You ne scan away. Oh, Monsieur Makwaje bribe intiment me and can you. Crom 4 Captain Smart. My catcher, me say wo no, na my imagine say me miao. But me there. E Kufuado, ene ma Becky, Baumia, ene Samira there. Wa wo bebe Jimmy say wo be di o matem no. Sa da no mekata mani, na ma ye will be French me see these days no me yaw, ma obogre no be feel wom. Because some of you ye hu ni say, ye na mo kono law, boko there mo ntiase. Nanka wo ye credible Captain Smart. Na mo anka say man no so mo anka say mo duabo. Wo bi akwaji obi yire agya no na wo so asena kon fole ama no onku sen obeku akunu na me no ka sei ya wo kwa Captain Smart page so a ya wo ma wo so o mo da so up the upon their Captain Smart aye ni no mo da so gu ho e praise ni de bia na unim de mobo sankrofo na o mu twa mo say fix the country must be fixed. Can fix the country ya be fix it with so no wa pampa so because ma dwene enye adwuma. Madam Rebecca, ye flag bearer yere krano. No woni bibi da do. Se wunim na go and research eh. Mutie, me say Mama Rebecca Kufuado. Time one. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railway sinyajimo. Journalist bi atimi aka wansem do. Wo mo faso kotofo osuntalehye. Wo mo twamu ho ekoba. Journalist bi atimi akotran radio station aka wansem. But atemdidie de atimi tena woye. Atemdidie de atimi damne e ho blogger. Na Ghana journalists nya mo ye blogger. And the bloggers no kura ye e ko manim e wo followers senema. Because of that, you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers, no followers because you dear them. So journalists are going to start at the other pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And you're journalists, but it's Captain Smart. And it was what journalists do, man. And you're a broker, or a broker. Don't tell me, say, hey, Captain Smart TV. Hey, a TV station, be out. And I mean, Sabato TV, na metiano. Many package wo. Niana me be a man, yo. Man, Koyo be a human sound. Me be a Sabato TV, no, by myself. By my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no kwa oya bo no. Nyansa ni atina dem tremu ni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch up say me ma brabo betimi abecha wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana near a problem be a minim. I'm ashamed of yourself. And I'm you try baby uncle for essential. Baby uncle for Eco School Siani. Justice was there for a long time. Even by the
for bad. Tom Mahama, they try to build some schools.